I'm Jay Quattro, Commercial Product Manager for imported CE products. As you can see behind me, one of our operators is running our new EZ17e. So this is the first zero emissions electric excavator that we're bringing to North America. This will be available early next year, but this is not a new machine for us. This has already been in production globally for a little over 3 years, and we're on track to deliver our 1,000th machine here in 2023. So a proven design, not only in the diesel version, this is also a proven design with the battery electric. And as we've seen the market increase for zero emissions here in North America, this is the first machine that we're going to be bringing. As you can see behind me, it's very quiet in general operation, even at full throttle. All the same performance as you have on the diesel version, EZ17, so same dig depth. There's no impact to the hydraulic system, no impact to breakout force, no impact to the auxiliary. So you get the same performance that you see on our spec sheets and that our customers are already used to from the diesel version of the EZ17. No loss of power whatsoever. The big key difference is no more fuel system and no more diesel engines. You get all-day runtime. The operator has a dynamic view on the display of how much time remaining based on what his operation actually is. Obviously, the more demand or load you put on the machine, that's going to affect runtime, just like a diesel engine. Higher engine RPMs increases the amount of fuel you burn. So if you're running every function, doing some heavy operation, maybe running a breaker or doing some heavy digging, as well as a lot of tracking back and forth, you might see maybe 4 hours of continuous runtime. If you're doing more stationary work or just simple trenching, we've seen that number go up to 6 or 7 hours. So it's an average across what you're doing. Obviously, most excavators in this size class aren't running full stop all day long for 8 hours. You're taking breaks, you're getting off the machine, you're going into the trench, you're doing work, you're getting back on the machine. This machine has auto idle just like a diesel machine, except when it's idling, as you can hear behind me, it's completely silent and off, so it's not burning any battery. So as you stop the machine for 5 seconds to speak to somebody, to look in the trench, to do some work, you're not actually using your battery. So that 4 to 7 hour actual physical runtime expands to be the full day's worth of work, which is why we say all day runtime. And also there's no reduction in performance as the battery starts to go down in charge. So you have full operation all the way down to zero. The charging system, all onboard chargers, no additional charging equipment needed, and you plug in a simple single-phase 240 volts connection that's found on pretty much every job site. You can fully charge the machine in about 5 to 6 hours. And if that's still not enough for your demands, the machine will still operate while tethered to power. So as long as you have a power source nearby, you continue to run the machine without depending solely on the battery itself. So first product coming to North America in the compact equipment line, but this is a long roadmap that we have planned in not only existing products in Europe, but new ones in the future. So telehandlers, wheel loaders, and larger excavators, dumpers, those are all going to be coming in the next several years to North America. And again, we have a proven track record already in other parts of the world. So we're really excited to finally introduce this to North America.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.